Amasan its YouTube channel an ho zo se na bonun si bai tu ni khwa hin ho lim video hele pu len chong loi a hin ama hi emite la dinga Twitter warrior social media na han ma le social media imi sate analam kai khat jong a hin ama hi engineer mechanical engineer jong an hin abanin keimata kana kai khana FMS Faculty of Management Studies Delhi University akona MBA ana chai hin he na sangta nei a hin ika he diu wa poi mo ka sa chui pham tile tu chung Manipur boy na hi mizo se ni he no hin emiten mi I thawa a hi jong le e tha amhon e santen e hin thawa hi jong le e mi te tha ti to banga hi national media chan ge ya le se pumpi he dingai reporting anoma abanin adin akoi koi ni he so ke diu sapang kum se gyau pa ton sing chu apa e mi hi sia anu e sante jong le thal ke kap kha imphal la ki puwa ki ve sanda ki po chu anu puma anti khat puma a hing changa ambulance nga ki hal wa ma hin hi chi jong chu e sante hin media chom choma e mi te hin ngowin itin anaki golel ma main hin la X lang Twitter langa pu len chung loile aloi ho le adang mitam dain pane hin lava e sante thilbol hiel ho adi lo now e mi te di lo tai ngon ho hi cho X langa social media chom choman na sata hong viral pha chun e mi te hi narrative war langa hin hong ha chu tawin hi jen panla dan ho ahong nop chomin abanin gal sad ho amuna athu gim gen the ho ading in jong lesit pumpiam hiam lesit pumpia kam chum chom ho konin lungsiet na le khutu na akin e ti e diwa pha hin detail ta kaung ki holim na ngai jutin abanin echi ingai na bapanin social media poi modan gal sat ki usi lowa social media gal sa jong apoi modan gal zo na dinga policy formation na dinga le mi te lungsiet na le mi te khutu na mo ichanova mo channa ichan lo na diwa social media poi mo ma hi ti hejing komen tu hin pu len chung loi to ka kyolim na anangai zuite ki pawmen ulen tu ni nang to hechi online platform ki ho thei dinga yom zen na tu chung hi dampi din mon hi vena hi le thil so chom tam dau min hecha chon ke jong thil so ho ka ve le bible chang khat ka lung thima hong kilovin na he choi pham ti le lu bung som le ko chang som li na he cha chon pi siam te le chuin amana don bunin na zau wa ka se hi hite ho thip lew song ho eu do dinga hi ati ti to bang khanin na lam kai te o du da ho aki su lo hangum pha le song ho eu do lo mom sang ai ho be be eu do ba phai lo ham ti topic thima hi hong ki ho lim ti hin tin ama san na ulen nang loi ho viewers hon a hin het hin divin nang de nang hal khat self introduction hong ki bolo
Mon, I'm just an ordinary cookie zo chapa kahin na. Ka khoche le rang noi hin. Saikulam Southern Hills Kangpupi district kahin. Kapai le KCC pastor hin ta le ke hi tuni kohong lo na hi ke ma education background ai lo le. Ke ma chanchin sei no ma hong ke pon na. Nam ngai lui ti le nam ngai lo impo in ahin gal boy lai ta chu media lam hi I thiu yong le koi machan na thiu hab yong 80 talo I khu ki hal ai wa nga chu media che teng le amel ho khu ki hal bang jing adi in media lam hi inala samwin khang tha ho hi pa cha ta chi pe ham ti le organize hi lo wang chun Twitter hi WhatsApp hi group ana sim win ana ki pan jing win le ke hi cooking pi ho in khat ama ho meeting ni June 1 chun go hati ani win a chu mun lo sia pan hong ki khom ho chun eina tip ji wa chu cooking pil hang sam chu society wai lam kai aha dan chu lam kai to po yong pa cha ram ma age het ya ko im cha ke than um lo in hin galin hitia chu elon kum phat wa chu upai oi khat belri de lo phat wa chu taw na ki manga an ki pong in education lama chu sele engineer mechanical kahin tal mba fms delhi a kan chai in na corporate kum som tong kan tongin last to na chu price waterhouse coopers get in tu chan ya hi kaloi hon yong na to da ha ya hi he thim lo tam pi men so 2010 a chun ke company ka consulting a ka padin e mi wala as consulting chu explain bo ga ma hin na IT lam le mobile governance a kana bol hin so there are successes and there are failures in your own corporate struggle but then nam sunga chu bol the chu I college la apna ne ki bol hin na ka la ti nga chu for instance KSO Calcutta bong khu angai cha aput la ga na pon hin na Delhi lai nyong cooking pi rally or ne ki pong hin ta le Manipur la machun Manipur lo chu in pi lo le social organization a chu dance ki mulo lo ti pu tin ne apan ji lo hin a hin ibu na chu pan ne the the ne ki pon go hati bong a chu cookie welfare a chu secretary yong kumbi lang kanomi I mean, in society, there are times when you have to focus on your work or aim my health issues in a thing like aim on concentrate ball yung ang ay na 2022 ajun in P Chamber of Commerce kiti ka jong inam sungwa hi more in a event ay wa man ji hello na kachu hiti tabong poi mo lo le talented people in a ho hi aman ji hello ji jun ikat nam khat jodin do ding a le chun economic potential lo le economic freedom in a masat lo le chun political freedom lo le democratic yeah rights also enjoy your ball thelo new tio understanding kana chu e ho nam sunga hi e ho be kisim tu tin adang ho to hin ki bangin alo le at equal level la tong khom te tia chu khat ICC yong kana panwen 2020 2022 achun election te ding tiong kana gele na hin gel to society oba lo ye chun izo lo ding hi bol jong le papui tin nam ngai lu na chu bol the chu ki bol in hoi lang pen khat we le hoi lang pen issue ham yong ke lo mai thi in tuni ka hung lo na hi khat media a narrative fight bol pau thudi ai pan na pau ai lo le lung khana ina pan lai kan mu pa chu na hi chi role a chu thang sam hi na role kan na pu a nau te o to suna janum lo a na to na an ke to khom pa chu chi pa chu gel do kit ai lo le ki pun khat a khat ken khana ai din khom lai chu I gel do kit the ni di wa ho media hi media kan na lam kai wang in media camera a hi ka ha kisulam nom lo lo publicity kadai bang lo hin anung nga back end a plan ball hi ke ma core strength nan kala na a hin ichi tu society wa thil tham kharois isei nom lo yong le sei ding omin alo li opinion be share to ngai ti a chu tu ni kyo hon le kin jong sei khom na de ta ka hu hin phat nei pi ata le lai mana khi mà chân chính xây thế thì ngaphat nei pi zen na chunga ke pe mon
ki pau me len nan se le adang dang sem se dang ma I hal khan na background chu se ma sa tin thano bum tai ni aji chu tu la hi nangin zon he ding hin na mi hi thu mi khan thuan se la ma hi koi ham ipi ato ham achin a them nai pi ham ti khan om te te na he chu tu lai society che dan kha zon na hi in ka se nom na chu mi tham khan mo ew le mi ten a thu se hi hing zong le thu di I ham ipiam khan hi zong le ama hi nai ma sai poi adu da education na to na ne poi ti ho khan om zin nai chi chu layman concept khat jong hian hi chu hal khat nanga hi very interesting background hin engineering hi hoila na chai ha
REC Durgapur, to NIT Durgapur kitia na.
NIT na chai
Calcutta
na
ko. Mm.
ale to MBA FMS nan dile kyo kalunga hong health min kari tai na sanga hi kyo jong MBA like a short term MBA so FMS a kana bol hin na
Oh.
2024 le 25 ki ka hi FMS a kana bol hin FMS chu le very reputed zong hi in aban le state na hi ja Delhi University no hi ja a teaching chu same but IIM ho sang hi na sata aman thlom zo hin na hi FMS a dinga ipitin hong ki prepare ipitin na clear ham ti chu hal khat hin same sao
Mon ke ho khang lai chun FMS a hin ket pon na direct
eh
FMS in entrance amin.
mm
Pathen long se nen ipiha achum be a preparation yung kana bol di pon na
mm
campus placement amin placement ading achun so tale ya ikan word power ti ho chi ni ba pana literature lo le kasim lunglut ki achu hiti acha chum be a special preparation lo kana mu hin na ka
mm
ki got matang kitile ka theme ti nai pon pathen ni mi hi blessing a pe o min hiti ta bang ki go be set lo ka mu ji chun now te ho ka ma ka say nom chu sometimes we don't know the value of what you have na
mm
ye chu mi a theme be set lo bola an mu te la value he ri
mm
ji in society wa problem kha jaw we are very talented people but then it hilmu ho hi by jakhena lol pathen lu se nai mu tam je ai value het lo yong I mean I think that is one thing you can learn from my life but
mm
then ga vet dinga chuna chi FMS ai kum khat elo le lagu prepare elo le UPSC bangi kumni preparing in kum thum preparing kamu de ti sanga ini la ya pa na ima orientation mucho whether you love words whether you love literature reading or maths bang chu ema preparation ema ki go dan in khuwa ema ai khat iki he dan khat ve chichu ke tu wale chun thilo hi ki go na special preparation ngai pon na like NDA ka mu bang chu I didn't have to prepare I mean like chapong ho tuition kahil cho class 10 yo acho acho tuition kahil ya acho I don't have to prepare I mean NDA exam ho
mm
much ka pile I got it but then iti da bang kati dan chuna to UPSC yong hi imulo na yi atam zo ai exam itiala BA chai te no prepared in ti gelitam so so people are preparing from their childhood career counselor yo kana hi na kyo tek chapasti kana bol ji chun so in a way how you live your life and then how you prepare yourself throughout your life will eventually lead you to that point where you even write an entrance or UPSC exam kati lo na chuna so emails are just successful heating yung chukin the point but still uh, ki good na kiti pa every day of your life in some way as a student is a preparation kati dan ji UPSC lo le I am prepare kumni chen prepare mulo yung mi mo cho
mm
but ball be ta lo am yung to UPSC yung BA chai chai le mu mo cho kum som chen sima mulo mo cho
mm
so the way life is now education pattern or way of life pa align ball na I think kamu in na mon so that was my this thing so bailam ta kamu iti wa ti pongin because I also had to struggle for campus placement I think also
mm
consort ki chu ngai cho but khulonga chu hichi chat tia wang chu prepare ka bol lo ye so I don't advise people ki hichi chi na sim diti but then there are materials and all that we use but yes tau I mean thanop na wang chu nei ngai na you need to love reading and also like that confidence ki I'll do it ki khatwang so ngai na
mm apai tua nampi thu bo se hilovana na azwan se ta ma banga hi economic ga self sustain economic ga hu halakhat e mai re ma ki support he hi lova lehin nam thu jong ki mo sei thelo hin na, because to be able to fight someone, to be able to protest, you need to have rice and sabji back home ti khan na, protest age le le ina buon diom lo di jong ko hi thelo hin ki pau ma mai nang hi ita nam thu lang chu thu chom hi le councilor ve la hong ki mang long phama ma ding hin ke hi fms a ko na ke jong kana bol hi ja hi fms a
Oh,
teaching hoi ka sama ma in
college mate hi ta zala na mon kan hello chukin.
ke ke ho hi le ke hi tua fms hu ke thua mi hung lu sau sau ta ba na ke ho chu ho ya ke ki prepare di le koi ho ham khat se dan hi le chinese power ki ji he ki ti ding hin ke ho
Ahi
hoi
chana mon ei mi ho in a head lo hello le bola FMS khu I crack zo lo wam lo le I don lo wam ka dat mo khat chu ahi chu asum lo nga chu la it's very cheap na and it is situated in Delhi atale placement la hoi ma na I kai phot le chun na to ki mu yeng zo but a problem khat chi bola lu zo lo wam ti khat chi pi ham de le SD ho ki chu zo because Delhi ham ja na mon. And then there is one very specific nan do le khat ka yel do khat so GD ki the also I am sai mo so but there is one thing called extempore speech no khang la ju na do wam ka head ya entrance as extempore speech khat mai so hichipa khu it becomes an eliminating factor I is to say ekip bel lo le na ke jo I do also what are the advantage and disadvantages of a coalition government. Chichu ikat kede lo le FMS preparation a pang lo so. But then presence of mind nahi na. So I think youngsters who are looking at FMS, I think they should even learn how to be more eloquent or maybe tu say la na. Kitip chu ngai cho a pao se ya sa pao bang su a pao I tho bang ba I tho the ngai cho. Hung tot leng mấy lo e zo la na he sa pa thep lo je he kitil ki sei hel do na amo tam zo le kha chut yong thim zo ti le le zo
to hi isi fms lang hal khat kan focus nom da zep khoi pham te le emi te hin ipiti seidam nei lo lo wa private la ve la hin na mba ho boluvin private na hi koi no her sau hin private na hi placement ni ma sau pon na mi hin a degree bo bo mo hitan na hitam khana qualification as a degree a mba degree man cha na di me me hin chun private ho pon hin la private a chai mba chai ki ti placement sang ta mo hi mi wang ma de hin na fms ho hong hi phat le fms iim ho la dinga ke ke ho komai ahin sedan bai marketing adinga number 1 he ti na next to iim
finance
in iim
finance and
Ahmedabad.
finance and marketing na
Finance and marketing lang hin as you once you become an mba graduate, then your horizon opens up. Kyo hi ke ho chui le ho ya entrance ma cham lo army power ka lu no hi jeng in na army a hi dcr ki dikhadom in director general of resettlement am ho hin kwata in piwa ki chu sai na IIM Indore IIM Ahmedabad langho ko ile hostel a ngai ti ho tam taw min fms fo it's a very reputed learning center na kya hi south campus a hinalizin night chakna hin aban le a teacher ho jong very much well experienced plus top industrialist ho jong hungjin na interaction program ne
yeah
ding ni
that
chapan
is the
ken jong
best part na industry leaders or the interaction pa hu classroom sang ka hazil zo echo
aban le na ho to ki ho ki ba lo na ko ile professor ho invite ka bol jivin delhi cantonment na manek so center hin party ka nei pg win ki hoi bacha exam yi macham lo assignment in pio le what is the need of this assignment ki tiji hin na I bacho the learning part is really helpful for us for restart na ke hoi restart ka hung hiu hin as cho army apana hung ki retire civil life hung ki restart hin it's a good step hi chija cho ken interview tam ta kana clear in job hi kanala lo thu hin na tua ka to na bank of baroda security officer ka hi in it's khoil I ma cha bol dim lo office akom jong le noble YouTube ka ki bol the na tia chu easy lang but the pay is good ti khane hen ai le hilang hi chilang kho hi chanin nga phot ten twa hi ung lu na de le azo nan se la cooking pi in media langa dinga na lang sam langa dinga in ko June na tin June ipikum ha 2023 boy kum na
2023 is June 1.
okay in tin abana azo nan se le lung helangum zamin media narrative kito taum lai sanakhang lai na sanakhang lai ti khat gel do hangumin
Ichan
ale tu
law
hen
lai na.
tu ina topic langa hung lut hitin tu chung boina hung kipat panin na boina hung kipat panin media langho ipasan main enjo ana se banga media langi ha lowa hila amona gal ki zo henlang ipp ki bol zong le ahilo wale amahon emite tamta hin thar jong lew emite thi chu amahon media narrative amaho I tha to banga vet sa theuna hiti khan aumen so we need to be very active in media adia national media plus adia tua nang na pan na Twitter lang hi khovel pumpin avena hitan na if we are not strong in the media then we are always the accused person ki hi the hin na nanapan ladan boya pa na media lang nanapan ladan halkhat highlight hin bolo
One, I won't take the credit myself. Can credit kapino mangzona. It's every individual. Kang tao dia. And even minuho. Even some fathers. People tweeting, writing on their own. And then Professor Thamka Johnson officially they attended TV ball the ball while writing sun the sut na cho. Ay wanga ami hi koi macha kingan si chumlo the credit goes to everyone. Kati dan so na. I was like the way I came later and then consolidated the narrative. The iti lang I focus di way. Main on zo say yung on zo say lo di way. Hilkhat kita ada wale you have to verify na and then kin tipna chu media lama chu akinai lo wanga chu I have started to kind of do a lot of research what wins in a narrative war di bang chu na mihim hi story agi connect to so civilizations are built on stories. That's the fact that I can tell you a story, you can believe or you can follow me. That's how you build civilizations. Like Chiltin, Kithotin, na Hupi same tau te the mihimo to Kihu Home te so. Example, if ya Israeli thinker kan veto kan ama sayna so. Stories are what alole mihim hin the fact that we can share stories create one alole hiti tabang wahi inay khom the je wahi like we became the apex na species in less than 100 million years tihat isim do kha dem that's a story by which story he relevant them ti hi we have a team meanwhile lale meanwhile say that so khanta ho anunga hi soon lezani mulo apangume so not because the fight was because we hate the Meiteis or we have an ulterior agenda in easy ulo pijo kithia ayewanga chu for I'll give you an instance on singa thia chu emi hona hali atiucho and that was what the news was in the district AC news ayo kuki kat mob of 2000 cookies waylaid the child and then they burnt the mother, the aunt, and the child alive with each. Athia ang kipangding ayaw nga jo a news aju eho iti pao jo eho tha kise jo athu jo na
e
so
kithia e tha na e kithia e tha e
API
kilo
ba
na
nga jo
mina gin
and
chan lai
that was the official cable that was being sent to the ministry also. Atale thilung ki pe dan jo na asung thu iti kan mat da om ti jo yo ten details I mean say it iti tabong adi lo hel inam mi chu ki thia ki kap ma ewang ki kap thelo ma chu ai chu I thi yong ki sei lo to lo na atale azo zo ki sei khat ma chu ich ho chu fight na dinga chu we started forming a lot of teams to ka sei dinga chu now te ho yong Delhi I think Tingbem Wang who to KSO president ta chu I think they are very effective Minju Kalanum very effective in creating WhatsApp groups then Kim Rebecca Hichi Hachiti Talojo a Minyong say everybody came together like critical group a bit more moderate ti ai wa kishan nom lo wa chu ipao I tho the as ki tho di la teng len X page ki di khatum ve to na khat Twitter a ho ki ho khom na ho so we started reaching out to other Indians fellow Indians who understand what's wrong with this country a government lay don to lo so there are people who knows what is really wrong what the central government is thinking a state government in ho chu ikat don lo ai koi wa lo take a ball par wa chu iti tabang ana diljing mi mai chu people who understand our plight I chu lo chu ho space a da hung wa ho problem cha ja te kate media so national media ki so alol manipura par official channel ki so to keto mo na yet but then the moment they start hearing the truth is something people can't ignore so till principle thung mang ka kwai the truth only we verify and verify until we send the truth tweet and then kachu ya le we should never tweet or we should never say something out of spite or out of malice nah principle tham hat kaju wa
which you
Twitter
can substantiate later on.
yes I mean adi lo alo le mail ho khatsun ipim the minai kari kara de le kina api ngai lo but we focus on a few stories na so like later on I'll tell you the strategy that we follow so we start picking up narrative which are like coherent with our pain first a story khat kalau chu tonsing ye chu tonsing chu anu yong mai le ai wa nga chu just because apa amy ya chu hichan ge ya chu na ngai lu na nei lo chapang chu kumsagi ki hal ye chu aba na chu meil hon yong an do ama wala mo ki khol ta chu i pim him lom lom ba tu pa ko ki hal yam ti thong na aba na chu meil he ho in khata thao chu phai sunga lampia pho chu mi thum na a thao yong le ninga he do the chu ba eng sit ki ti yong le lampia pho chu ai le khat chu
Kakwa munako.
a lunjit lal jinu meil he chu chu mang tai thulin khat ei pawa interview la na mi chu khat now teo khat translate ka bol sa caption ka bol sa nei le ka ya ka pe ne ka kisi ti jo man se chu not because I hate them let them realize what they have done na kaziba chu pusal ina tha no yong le mei thala ka le ti bam ganja banga je liu chu I pi ki bol nam mei le ka yong mei le ya ka pe ne ka kisi ti khat then the viral picture hung do ta so see the viral picture it was hidden by the AT and some of the media guys na ichipa he athu kiza ayawanga we don't have proof aile hicho narrative so one story lead to the other then they were starting to lose then hichi viral picture hung do le so iti da banga na so when the stories are like like became like a necklace thread na ba nei cha hung ting le mina het the cho oh kupyo he gal sa de lo pyo la amo hoi ki hu la khamen lo hunga le khamen lo bo mail hoi ni ti se bam dile ne het la mon char sa yung thaw he ti so bang chu like people start to like various Twitter ayong hi so them ta tom cho now te hoi see we have a lot of wonderful talent in the society
Yes.
the problem
Ibang
is
piece of.
a problem is ihung ihung lung neo jiwa e ho na insecure hi jiwa chiteng le yung ki hen jiu cho alone yi hello cho when you don't call yourself by small names not that you call in lamka when you know what is important why im chana tham na ji hello cho in terms of population we are not much but at that point mail ho nyong ep cholo he narco money or narco pupi shit ati na man ichi sum tam ta nei ba media wa cho do ti ge ya ko igin mo da so it's not. It's just the fact that we stuck to our truth, we were united, and then no one fights for their own popularity. Kati dansu na. But then ki het khile thei so when you work together, and then sometimes I think I've been given a lot of credit for more than I deserve. I'm very grateful to God that I could be there at that point. Na, I think it's you should look at it as more of a privilege. And then mihim chu nai to khom deng le enjoy say hello mintin ilung chom ko mintin. So the youngsters also, no, it's the same thing. But at least I believe in narrative power lo le it he now idi mo lo now pa chu na me in thachimit de ego na pa chu. I think at least that message went out globally. There are people from Canada. I had ho ithi wa ko im chan either lo pha wa chu gurudwara ge ya controversy nei chu na namta te I think you should not discredit namta and all those people. Namta, then there were people in London, I won't take names, there were people in France, are people across globally. Nang
Yes.
zomi nang
Itu.
kuki nang mizo umlo chu. We are one people, we are united by one faith. Ikitolo wale. Now we are like sheep or chicken in a coop. Chaju piti dia fox coming inside. Na ene inside you who chibujing out also. Ahile hichilaya ju kitu the wala to ai bola kitu the lom tio bangi. These are questions that we have to start assessing. Kasai house at Minamon, but then yeah, I sometimes go back and then think of those times. Like wonderful time for our people. Na.
Hiti media na kitu lai ho nan se le na ke hi la hemi kana hin ka sa thiam lo bangin la har ka lung thimang kilowin ipilai tai gol han lai hin khu anom tangi se gol han lai pha ti khat na kitu lai phat na se bangin hita hi kitu tu sana kitu den ki hile aniam ne ba ki khen tel lo ki
Ito
hin
ay ang kitu
ichan
mo lo piu mon
ichan
katidan
am khari
suna.
ki thong ding hitan na to hi
Mm.
ke jong ken jong hi da nang nan se le ke chu on service kan hi na lai ze in hi ti hin na sa ten pan kan la thei po na hin la thil kan het kha chui bi ham te le e mi te la imphal ki che thei ta lo am ho la goti dimapur bairo ra che thei te lo ho imphal airport ki mang thei ta lo hi cha chu the
Mm.
best punitive measure ken kan gyal chu le flight hi online a flight ticket i check muna le na abani kal tul he tiu kana he ni na adi zonga di hin whatsapp group
Mm.
kana join na hin loite hokoma ka sei jin whatsapp group tam thim da kana join hin tu hin ka tam join be ta pon hichilai ta ken kana pan la na loi hot koma kana se na chwele flight ticket hi booking ding in tin bol ven lang imphal to guwahati imphal to delhi to imphal guwahati to imphal so itin bol jeng ven ka tiele effective dan in kana muin hi ta kitam bol lai chanin aman hi kal tulin na hi chi khoile indirectly one way of na am ho panis na to bang khadin jong kana muin aile adang hi ipp achievement ti de ha adang media ana phatchom na hi chi media team zin hi chi aume ti khat aban se thei di pp mai
Mon dekat media hina dekat keho loy se lole. See, we give it a structure. Lole, we came together. There was a group. idea elo lungel shading o male. There was a group. Tua inam sung wa minang ay ki thupi ho na. Like, very sensible people, lawyer elo le, intellectual tham kharo yo hi. XPC bola pada khu eho nam sunga idi na he je wa. Cholo ay ki thupi ding e tia ay ki thupi mi tamatam cho. Le eho chu lam kai tham kha yang chu eho le eho ki ho wa le chun. See, sometimes it's good. Oriental culture, na like you take is a pie. Western culture, Mr. Smith ta ki ko tabang ko hilom lom chu la hilo. Ale thudi hi sei ting le sanga lin e ho sung ka sei ti sanga lin ko ma ama lung yal to ki to lo thudi kha chu ne ra na se ya le chapang ki thi bin ti khari umai chu. Ta chu when it becomes toy le any khat face to face a ke ho chu lim ki mu chu XP at lim ki mu lo ya chu sometimes it's better that way ai chu people don't uh, people don't have that conscious pitidia hello le publicity hungry yong ai lo but your point of view you can really put it across na ti tabang chu khat kana sei ji in kim kom radio le nei pu win TV le nei pu win XPG ho dinga it's a newspaper yo nei ta lo cho cha ke ho mat na ding this is the thing that we have for us so ichi hi na chang hi yong na bol yeng le like so now there are other people who are helping us like regular Saturday le bol na live na so mail ho na amu da dai ta chai ki thu pyo sumi pi wa cho ba sa yeng so and like ka pi de yon mi hi ichi wa igati lo pi jo masa to ai ki thu pi wa ho de nga thing mo yong kun amasa chu yo di mo isa chu ai chu see they go by that official narrative na hello the newspaper we can asim do ho pa chu opinion a form chu ile hichi XP so hello le XP so pa the personal in call ba ikyo ba na chu they realize I'll give you one instance tam pp them chu to e ho sunga we kat sidang pa na siya le su ho yong they sometimes they come because once the pressure is very high that they need to come and clarify they come to X space or amon yung idea ka to share nom del aman cho tua chu now we have so many like nangin na bola cookie channel so many channels are there pp chonglo so many are there at that point we had nothing when we were struggling ikati ala kahin them iti like to as forget about YouTube yeah I mean like YouTube channel or news or among the bon ba ai ba chu miu si hunga lungel si khom ne thi chu lo chu so that was what and then how powerful is a medium like that for instance mera pai bi ho mail ho adi mo no chu ta chu ehon la proof in it awa chu mera pai bi ho ichana hat hamitia le approve bumaju Al Jazeera te lawyer ho journalist on contact in bolwa kaki ho so we gave them the proof that they are the ones responsible for so many things right natural army or tale uh inauten you inu khat naked na khat akai ni wa yong su me ho mera pai bi ho mecho tale 13th August a chu khat buffer zone katum tan diu he lo le katum ni ke diu he ti chu mera pai bi ho chu long kiche even ke ho nama lamjing ga noina matung da lo asi yu chu ai chota banga chu mera pai bi ho hin army yong ki che da lo alo le e ho ku hong kap ti yong le hu a pang we chu we have rims of proof ai chu I'm just giving you one instance. Al Jazeera bang, so they are very courageous, or they are like people who dare to stand for what they believe in. Journalists in contact ho chu ka ki ho piwa khat approve chu ka thought wale. Asu ngam lo chu mon. Asu ngam lo chu that There is one of our Twitter warrior who will attest to what I'm saying. Asu ngam lo jo. Chipana ju mon lungse se kim jo. Tweet storm yo na gelo jo. Tweet storm de jo khatwe bola hi tweet him yo sin. Na guzu banga kizu sa jo ting le chun you become on top of that algorithm. Ting le chun lesi chunga hi what is trending. Li eho ke yon kate em tam ke talo. Trending kari kara tampi ko mahecho algorithm so many things works on so many ideas na hele aneki hello chowa mo mideng in hill cho lung se set kim cho x space a che hill ji gi ho na so khat 13th August a chu ikat khatsuile kangwai khatsuile gamgi phai atum go cho me lo hen ahi ale eho kotule IT election sei chu Mail hey kat ima ho it chi jun na tum wa boina so ale no mit mo de di jawang hung wen nang ki kable idi mo di ta cho so that's when we like decided to kind of do a tweet storm exposing the mera pai bees na mera pai bees exposed the kong ki tho khong we made it trend chibanga chu chi jo apa na jo mera pai bees so mit mo na national news on an so ngam so I won't say we can claim 100% credit, but at least I'm very sure. Me him the head low say the look heads and yeah, so we break the fear factor for the national paper and even international. It's a mera pai bi or question mark article hung pan so mon 13 August you tweet so you na. Kati dan so mera pai bi or so masanga anakiza so even national media ay le tale ehon yung kiza so for all the good things. But then they stand exposed during this war, no? Like they can't stand up to Pitidia. Ichapa chu dan chu namekha su se le. It's still a crime. It's an offense. I want to mail or meet mo na chu. Ehon yung bole di lo diu chu. Mon. Mail or meet mo na chu piham tile. Mail hi ale chun mi chan su se le chun. A problem po diu chu. So til di lo chu hi mana chu alo le kachapa mana kasu PM na the detail also. So I think that is one area where like Milo hung some now to tilai jicho. Eho achu idi lo na o male. Gan now te ho ganga ga say oh he win ka teach. Expose them. But then yeah, we have a heart and then sometimes we tend to lean towards our own. Chiwang so ding mo ya wang achu. Eho is all now to be tile. Whether you like it or you don't like it, we try to stick to basic human rights principles. Na mon, ayi so eho idin de na uji piji hamte eho gal bola ay pan lo ki hu ay pan je we were morally right. So like people tend to kind of like have that sympathy with us or can empathize with our plight. Na
Ahi
kadang
tuanan se chu ken jong kapom ma mai media narrative hi apa phatchom hin tu hin America te thilbol hoi ki vele most of the Hollywood movies na Hollywood da movie ho hi gal ki dodan iti vena hin la ki vele America te adi nangen nahi anahi en viewers hoding ka se nom chele America te Galdou narrative abol now hi na ne hen na divin movie Black Hawk Down kiti zahumin na haban le rule of engagement kiti kha zahumin hi chite ne apna America te adi lo now adi langa apuna dan na apuda leset pumpia mi hem ho mi te het dinga apuda dan zong hi chapana phata mu the hin ke hon jong military na sata in ka study hi cho study ka bolu vin na aje chu ke ma het chana hi America te in Hollywood na filmmakers ho ko ma US government in sumjong at pg na hi tamai tamang film bol velang tin ti jong min no pandan hi ka gel a hi ma jengin aje chu media ai zo lova hi le a media chu government jong ichanam khana influence bol pa hi na policy making hi le bpm khat thil bol de ho hi le he chu phachoma ma hin mi pi te jong he diu tua jong hi akichai jong hi nai lo na aba le to na se banga chu stick to the principles na adilo til adilo kadi siya hile khonung le substance in ibol thilo wale ki chai ta ti to ba na he chano men thu di ai pe ichia thu di chi pia hile olola atilin ki har hi jong le it will keep building up tu hen enjo nan pha nan min pha je naked a keu changa ki bol ho khona lampi ki kai ho khu zani khat
mm,
be ni la dung jong mi gup hi konin ati ham koi ko fir charge ki bol ta na so
mm.
then people will always connect the dot the truth ibya thu chi khana ki se khu god knows the truth but waits ti na pathin in thu di hen hi jong la apet ben in action la poi ti khana men he chi ken jong phatchom ma ka sai na adang hita hi adang lai pi ipp head be thading ma mi pi ten head be ding na de tidam media langa
They
hita kana
teach
bolwa
they teach you if yung they have na mona hi wanga chu see we as a community na he as far as possible to say we set lo te yo cho to ki say ngai te ta le I dem lo te lo le I problem yung ki share we set lo te yo cho and this unfortunate mayhem I lo le chi galai bol khum wa pa nai I think our future is set lam kai ho lung neo diu kata
mm
san lo pi ta le mi pi yung lung neo din kare lo pe chu we have built up a generation of people who can stand up for what they believe in what is right na
mm
thu yong sei ta le adin na ayong changmela ding thei khang thai janam khat nei ta chu so
mm
like our future is not going to be bad or it's not dark it's better than masanga sanga chu na ye chu
mm
masanga che ho chu e ke tho video lo le e support the yong a whole je ke hello chu you should have seen some of the youngsters I mean like without taking names soon le zan imulo na nam gen the I phara cha pan pi ne ki hall and then the capacity to understand or to even see a ngai chalo EPG important nam khat ka hi win ka thi ang la ka thi khom diu future khat ka nei khom win we have to adjust and then we have to move together tipa chilaya in a build up also I think that is something that keeps me hopeful every time na
mm
thum ke de cho ai chu ami pi hi kito sa cho
mm
chula noi langa su to ding neo neo ma I think chi chu yo min mo be se jong lo cho amani pura ipia so ta chen wa hi am mele ho to chen khom wa hi amo ho yong ngo be se dilo a structure a hu anaga hi ai ho hi wa ipi khat cho pia do hanga I khat ui cha ho sagu se pi le sagu neo khat se pi ya cho khum kina ta bang wa khna ki chi condition a so ta yong ta cho mon adi a chu anaga ho yong sagu ni se le khat khnai ki kai khen khat bu an se le kina ongai eo ka yang sagu cha hung nyau ki le chi chu ite a chu ima tha chu so those are legacy problems that we have in terms of even uh, amin ham khat alo le ipiam khat reason ham khat a iki khen na pa da nom sa me chu but me thia chu we realize what is important nam khat inai kadin khom lo wa kapan khom lo le ka thi chai the lo le min ei za ta po vi alo le
mm
ka hin khu hi aboi tai ti pa chu igel do the wa le chun I think we can always work and then build a future na build future khat chu lo le khunung I khan kho chu ikisim the chu so I think we have a good future bright future and lung kham ta yam mo ke wan chu ka lung kham be se lo chu vi chu because I have seen the potential of a youth you ho khang tha ho na atalen utale namangai lu pau kamu tan tin there are like aning ka boy umna so then if you know how to tap that I think iki khen wa yong le now we have the normal iki khen wa yong le I think in 20 years we'll build up a city much better than Infal also I mean 2-3
up
Singapore in Ireland na.
up hai tuan nan sei chu nang zong thing kar khat na hi na hian thil hi asi a phai zanum zong la positive langa na muin na ke zong positive langa na ka mu hin tua lam kai ho pipa ki to lo du da zong le na abanin enjuan nan se hal khat hin et beleng mi chom chom na nam chom chom ho akol le vai ho foreign ho chan gen initiative in an hi hin ki thu piu hin na chom khat zo wa hi enjuan se ma chu Ehsan te hin suma piu he du da he tin chi igel nui zarum ta hin na ne dong
Sumya
ki mu
lo
zo
lai cho
lo
poppy seed in a lai cho.
ne dong ki mu zo lo mal chamu mal chapom cho na ri chan gya lo wa hitia in mo hin hitian se jong so a khobe se pon a hoi ve ven abanin emi te hi ke ma mu danin lam chom chom ana nam wang phate hi win na tua GMFDI te seidan hi le a seidan chu ke chu ka pom jong hi pon hin la pathian in Israel te sanga ngai lu zo nam te thio vel na pathian to telephone a ki ho te
Chilom lo
cho
wang chu.
i cho lom lom wang chu a hi
Chilom lo
puang hin
wang
la
chu.
ka sei nom chu in zo na sei ta ma banga hi ichi lenam ichi inam imi pi te zo se thigam ding to banga na we are totally in a dilemma then na a boy mo mo in heaven a state force ho chan gya hi khulbulu ding a hu ti hoi tam ta jong aumin proof jong aumin ale to ken hi chung jona kan et nom chu le Punjab gama operation blue star na ana la ya chu na hi lai chu boy na khat ana suin hi media hona na control win hin la kyan service ta lo ke jen hal khat mimpi ho he ding in hin seng gatin emi te hi lam chom choma na to na nei asang ta tayu movin in almost every field na department zo sia ium tawin alien langa jong tam da ium tawin a hile hichi boina hongum chun mitam tain katona sangin kami pite poimo zoi ka gamle kana ma poimo zoi ti lungel tam tawmin to Twitter te unseen heroes ti to banga hi tam ta hero na sei pha lo sei pha thelo sei ngai lo isia le hoilo zo ding ti tam ta au min na hichia kan senom chu as an example to ba kan senom chu pham ti le Punjab a operation blue star hong boi chun Amritsar muna golden temple India government in ti jeng tin India government in tenga kama associate pha chun Bihar gama Sikh regiment na Sikh regiment tes Punjabi a training center ba ko ni mi izan ham khat jam do cho zam
That
dova mutiny na sepai language in kisele mutiny bol cho hita bang kyo ding amun poi mo pen ki hal latan kyo ka mo phachum ta poi tai ale sepai khan hi ta ja hi ki man thailo du da thil tam tan so in na he mi ho jong hi hung boi ta ta le I chan ham khana bang hi unity su ine we ine yo heti jong ka se no min tin ale tu hin naw len he khat langa hung tin hal khat nampi to ki sayin e mani ingai dan ki kumitin tu ma sang je ma gotia nampi conclave ti khan anau min na hecha hin resolution a hin pass win hechi resolution a pass lava hin resolution number 3 na English pawa ki ji jen hin simlang tin na hecha chon na ngai dan hal khan komen lang number 3 na hi prerequisite for government formation na government popular government sim na dinga apoimo ho na regarding the installation of an elected government in the state. The meeting resolved that the new government must provide a written commitment to support the negotiated political settlement for UT with legislature under the constitution. This commitment must be executed in a time-bound manner, specifically within the current assembly tenure. Akitin hi ipitin ipingai dan na niyam hi number 1 hintin ani na dinga hi substance na dingin zani tu nila dunga news hoy na mudi hin na news headline na su ipiyong kiziam tile dekan herald te hin Kuki MLAs won't join government until center and state agrees to UT demand akitin abanin the Hindu tehin Kukizo group agree to join Manipur government with conditions alay si nampi conclave agani na ba hi resolution number 3 controversial vallo ha ipya na ngai dan
mon nampi yong lungthu itikita na. But I think understanding as a KZC to mipi hi chi khomin tawin, which in a way structure wise is good. First resolution to mipi day na UT without with legislature. Ke wang chun state thum ngaw le state thum ti til azu ka panin ka chang se kai chun thip tang in na ki thi tho ding temala ki mulo tho ding state chu paten tal de 1964 la ki panta ki hin ai mi lam ka yong they balance out the pros and cons. Ati as a UT with legislature to khat phat sa yin tin dal taw de ti le lam ka ya se yong ai parliament nail parliament ki support parliament hil hi adi lo teng le adi poiti sang mela ki ko tu parliament asia jo ki kina yong ai pun ai wang a chu there are a few things which are not compromisable na UT with legislature kichu non compromisable hai ti a second na chu that is also good na a third na yong ise ya la chun it's like in this modern world it's like selling a narrative like condition ki pi hin negotiation technique yong ti the chu but there are specific instances these are allowing le simple words are jo chilai pi hi boy in ti saying ai jo but I chi le ho thang ki kam do kilowa I understand e ho sunga yong chu lungel chum nei je wa chu we are trying to kind of balance out hilanga full popular governments ase ya say loading tiloy tale popular government pan lo ri poi di te ho chu alep to le wa chu hi chi chu akoi bia na and then some of the leaders may even think it might be possible to even negotiate with the central government and state hiti tabang khat chu return IPU le hichi ho denga phazon ithil bol wa boi ni chu mio chin phan di dai bol so ge cho save one or two people who are ready to sell off their people atam zo MLA hoi su group ya su group dem hoyong support hoyong na KZC dem hoyong support hoyong kukin pia akoi hi wa he nam ngai lo thilpa de as tu se ngani ucho I resolution hoyong apa pending isei cho but a problem ji piam tiale ikilul masat do bawi hai ji ucho ama sa pena kise ya hichi non negotiable he kitia number 1 a number 3 a kot ki hong ki de jo chilai ji ju lamka kat national newspaper ho media ho confused chu so hindu in so chu ku zo MLA ho in na pitawe ti chu ken ka sei ngai lo pi chu chi chu ya la chun ese thum pau to chun ki kal lo ham chu mi pi de chun ki kal lo ham na ta chu hi chu to bang ko hi hon loading hi chu ama ho ta san na hi see for me till the 12th of May my fight was for justice kaso pi ko ula now kanami banga kinoisia gi khadi law and order boy tan government in a balding ball hen comparison AP hen nang mi thado tha manwen na khat wen ti chu hichan ka ajune gel chu ai le MLA o si si hung ki khatwa ke ho bon ka che te ta lo wa ke ho bon di da tha chimin de good wa la chun manipura chu ichen na diu khat alo ichen hom ki na diu upay lo ye ti chu ma al eho sa ma ho chun amani pura mele ho sun le dana give up to in the government or even in MLA khara chu ama ho hi je wa chu ama hon ahin la wa le chun adi ta chu khat athi ma ho email hon ki sel na nei ta chu political game e ti chu hichi resolution ji chu awa ami pin ama hon nunga ki dinga ki support ye ne jo mo MLA ho in hichi aki khat wa le chun eventually hichi hi anam min jong amon declaration ball hi yong le nam yo hong ki ding khoma chi eventually chi declare I ball tho di win amo ball hi thil phat ai I join de ki ai wa nga chu ai cha mi pin I mat na amo tu se I zui phat wa chu amo ho hi khat we le gin chat banga ki muji lo chu alo le press conference ayong media lama kani kha ja chu we wanted them to give more be more visible na mele MLA ho minister ho so la jana TV lo rebut bolding amy MLA ho ki muji lo cho khat we le upalen lal ki mo so lungel pa hi thilphai de wang wa hi eho resolution ai eho le ho thang het lo wa lo la hena sa sai bolom khelo so for me point 3 hi boy ka sa ke answer so hindu in an suwa chule eho nup ne pi wala jin ale a rational for separate administration umlo da jala government a manipur government aji pan thevle chun like if you got a separate administration AP dio alo le chichu central government entertain ai bol dio I so this is not something that has come out of yeah mail ho imuda je wa to separate administration itiolo pi cho na ma hello ale gamtum ka de event agam le ho aya ilong ka khola mail ho to kinangin kinahi yong na go to kinangin kina ka kho boundary la ki khial cookies ho akhu ho a chen no boundary agam ju ki khial lo jo ani sa jo mi ko mai thum lo pi jo na aranina sei adi adi jo koi ma jo ko ma igam vi thum lo pi jo igam vi nei sa ju mail ho no ya administration kinale imu sa ba ma jo sipai elo le home jo ma na control de di jo in ball ki diu pa hu ki hu hing nei jo khat neuta lung neuta se ala jun no elo le khat kel ngui ki hen tabang eo mi pha je bi hu cho I wa aki hen pa chu no like wolf elo le ipiti e pa wa ju wolf ipiti dan si ar e ke ha lut khum go tabang hi cho so itu say be a consistent hi ngai ti pa le li a chuna ke wa jan a resolution jo si who I find it very good pro people 1 2 4 pro people mi pi de kukin pin jong Delhi conclave a chu first resolution chi ipamiti ale tu ki say lucky sa tale tu chai na ki si mi pi de ya ki chai de ti chu kilol ne cho and I think that is true with isupio akoi amin chom chan zo mi nang mi zo nang ma na ko hiong le mi pi de lo de lo wa chu koi mi cha lo di cho so 3 powerful hindu na so khilam ai lo wa le MLA ho in explainable lo lai je wa yet khilwam ka hello bi chu but kasim da na wan chu I don't think I agree with that na Manipur government is going to culture chu there's no question of essay na ichan gi agalin sat pa chu kyo yo se yong Twitter agal sa yo se yong mi zo ngen ki ta chu so the narrative has to be consistent aye chu mail ho to ki khano de ki ti mail ho imu da je elo le ichan vo ti ela pi je wa chu ki khan tau te state ka thum ve ti condition hi le we can always sit down and talk ken mail hai mu da ja mail ho to ki khan diu ti lo pi cho mi that khil pa hin chan sa ve cho I am much more concerned about a person who attempt to rape or attempt to murder ai chu azol al kha zo te de ti cho kha chimit de ti wa azol lo we tin to hi chi chu zo te ding ti na gel te lo e mi that ding ke la chun e le ki tu dang the cho so 3 powerful EP situation a law hon wang chu I'm not in the meeting so I don't know but e ho ding in state pa he mail ho na khunu te ne he thim ki tu di wa mail ho to a khangin business on ball to Putin, it the Putin in a lopis. I want a structure of Manipur as it is today. Hichipatwa buffer zone go in India government ang ngol lopiso. Buffer zone of Koiva, Chum I can powerful Piha. CR le acha ke khen tama hiu cho koi chu acha da koi chu CR e diu ham that is up to us iha eho hat na che ho CR e diu tu chen ya CR ai pan lo lai cho e that go wa phaya e khat e mi ho hung zam do khun me lo mu da ji wa lo le manipur chu su ke din thanup ja ke chom lo piu cho amo khun athi khel chinia chu aninga e mat khaule I ti se yam na mon mi him khat chu I thi la no ma nom cho ai wa nga e khat thi khelo hin amoi manga yong boy we cho a thi khel I tam mi cho I chai lam ka yo hin cho emotional pa hi achu me ya political strategy cho me but mixed messaging pa hi ichi the nga ye chu I pi hota ki dem ye chu I also understand in nam lam ka yo aboi nau tam cho but when it comes to a few things iti tabang na resolution li ay wanga ki ma chawayo hi eho yung confuse able so we are here to support our leadership nete amon but if they ask me if resolution number 3 is correct I will say no ke kat tom khat wa eho society e khat ba kada ha da zo zo mi langa chapon yung info in khat wa ulen you know everything and you keep your mouth shut attitude mon kha do langa ti kit le lam ja thang phaya kit I people di mon ke lai lunga he mail ho to ki pen ke so I don't have a friend now walking ka che on mail he to ka chi so jing ka ko ti kom la adam mo ayong ka loi mail on so adan ju kati but you sacrifice everything because mail ho mu da ye lo bi so your friends will remain friends but you don't talk to them I want a structure pa hun allowable also acha to si ar ke koi khom the lo tabang hi ta so ji ju brain ball also brain ball also and then there are few things in life you can't turn it around ta chu three pa hu chi thewa nga ya lam kai mi som lang hi wa hun gyal to win tin we are watching mi ke dan ha chu thusim khat kasima na mon was one Mrs. Butterfly Hill khat California red forest ko thing chunga hi hungkum lo a nijagi di chat hi residinity cho a chunks a save cho atan thelo ta ya chunga man protest wal ya cho and there are so many youngsters who would stand up even if alone lamkai ho za lo ji yong lo ai wa adi lo cha adi poiting ame tama tam ta cho ichi hi koi macha ginoi si ne yong lo koi macha yong kiza tum ne lo ai wa adi lo ba cho adi poiti the diu iki ho the ngai cho na lam ja thang yong khat we exam ka ki won cho I pi se yong le na ha do ke tian na I pi yong la thisan chu how kip cha pa chu athu chu ga ti so he has the right to dissent talk but I also disagree with him but to wang chu phaya chi ka lung dong he chu mon phaya ja hello lo sei pa ai la phai ku ki emele ho ne gu cha go sei chu asung tu he chu ge zo ale mail ho ne gu lo ham jong chu sei ta la if is so much about peace and this thing ke in ta hi mail ho to a narrative ang X space ang kakin yu chu ma sanga chu ko na pat nam ipm as noi talent nang se ativa na ei mu da thei lo ai wanga chu se na thim be se ei tiva ei mi hol e hol lang kot le hol lang ei thei nom lo chu ai wanga chu ei mo nel thei lo chu we are basing our debate or our talk based on truth adu thangin bol kat kal kai khat thei lo ei mi lang ho mit bo na chu en yong ke he chu na yong ne he chu ai wanga chu ai cho ko sei no ma to sung ka I bui no a sei no ma sei ta da holo bi chu ai le birin in gal ka bol khum ve ti wa audio tape mu chu ale birin khat ve ja dem kha lo bi chu me le ho ne gu yong het so ge chu ale ti chu ya le chin mi het bu to ke lo long so that is something he has to think na kin ka sei bi de lo bi chu so if he wants to come out as a credible voice for peace that he has to talk the line which is acceptable for any reasonable person ke ei satisfy and kati lo pi cho reasonable person khachu satisfy ngai cho kati dan ipiji ham tia le biren tape chi hin ke he chan gen biren yong hi chan ge ai culpable the ti ho to sa sei the lo wala chan all this claim of we want thadu community international we want peace it's all bs also
Ade.
mun ki shit ka bang cho not out of hatred but then he I find it very hurting mir is a farda na kan mu ta masanga cho I find him to be somebody who speaks the truth I said okay I agree with you kati cho to I mir is a farda na kan mu ta and it's up to him to correct his image if he wants no mir is a farda ya chula na
Ah,
mir is a
Mir Zafar.
farda Bengal has over India under the British for more than 200 years of slavery. So we don't want, we will not tolerate mere efforts in our community. Simple as that.
Pai ulen tuan an sele tilkan gel do khana mumkinin yemele te hin boy hung ki patila hi aizol langa zong aizola panazong goti langa panazong we want separation na separate administration adu da jong ana sei hitan na ai le to article to resolution number 3 hi controversial thima hin na su group te extension assign nava integrity of manipur ki jipa to jong ki lo thimam ti nom na kha jong min abanin to hi ai le ke analyze danin ke ma critical analysis ti lewen ama sanga se to hi chiang khom the ke ta povin we want separate administration atiu cho na ai le government ki form di ko ki support hen lang government ki form tele government ki form hen lang asunga pan assembly apan pass adi ti agin cha no idem ti hajong ka gelin na aji chu Ehsan te hi he nu chula emile zo se aram bai ten kangla sunga ko wa aki ita hi promise a bol sa mi piam lai khrum a bol sa wa na hiti hi chi ka bol yo ti bol sa wa de tolpa bang chu che a congress emile khadan vo wa ti ho au min na asam rai follow chan ge rocket launcher ro pi fix a bol bai bang aram bai te de dan dan lu tho MLA ho ama ho MLA zo se bon by order a kakla ko thewi hele government ni form i bol khom wa I chung thua ki selo di hi het sa ama ho pau ma mai le masana ta ba ti jiang tin na ai thelo mo mong hin abanin azwanan se chu sial le a cha ti chu hal khat sial hida koi a cha hinom dem ui le kel ti tin na win zonga zo thei di kelin zo thei di
Yo
ka ti
se
na
ti
chu
the na chu. Hello.
sial de ti le
Ikipat
khat zo hi
ikipat hicho ikipat tilwa chu na to hi kel cha le uicha to hung ki ba ta chu masa chu siar to a cha ta bang hi chu e hon la more a mo ke tha lo dia ilong ajo jo ai le wa phaya ho chu a cha ta bang hi chu mon siar le a cha ka sei na chu e ho imi mo we tia ka sei
hello
ei le ta ni to awang
hi
chu
ta
le to awang chu le na e ho hi tho hi to chu amo hi siar na lai chu ai chu ei zo lo jo wa hi cham na thu sei bo chu ei zo lo ei tha kan
e ho hi
chi tu
tho
ni
hi
hai
lo
lo
hin
bi
tin
chu
na tu lai te e ho hi lion without teeth ni hiểu cho tu hi lion without teeth toothless lion hi vin tin tu ka se na chu zuan an se pen chu mo re ho le lam ka ho e cho hi ke ma mu da ni na ken a positive lang sign in kamun ipiti positive ka mu ham ti le mo re le lam ka hin Ehsan te no mai le phaya ho hi ki chai ta cho so itiham khana negotiation hung chia amho
hello
aim ho
hilang atu ka sei lo na mon ka ti dan chu
ah
e ho hin isa kho lo le I ho pathini ho je wa yong hi alam lo atul tha yong bol thelo nu me chu ki chep thelo chu ai wang mail ho in na galan bol wa khat hita eng sit na po hi khat agel do nom diom ka he they were trying to follow a little bit of one the ideology was Nazism na fascist Nazis ideology and the brutality is that of the Mongols na Genghis Khan apa sta the lolit tanai bol ki chawa jam de ti so lekha alol ithilsim ho hi they are not discrete pieces of history Meilon tu chunga e bol he di ta Meilho yo se yong apamo lo pi cho there was a dominant idea which was totally ultra nationalist racist ideology khatom e cho hichichun pau thilo a koi bile eki khen sa cho Meilho yong alep chetam ma mi phamo lo pi cho mi me san yu je me cho but mi phamo lo pi cho but hichi tham khat ideology phalo ho in hichi pe na mele ho a controller ai lo ball a ball phat wa chu na iki khen khau chu ki khen pau hi uh, like I think maybe like 20 years down the line amo yung more ang business I ball ho mai the chu na mon
more so
but
always prime target ani jing ke so
yeah but na la pi wa lo le I khat na le chun we will be worse than slaves na ti chu ang chu ki het wa
ade
chu
more so ile manipur ade amun poi mo pen ti ti jong hi jeng in na aji chu history phata in sima hi le more hi u keng te han na hi cho ke ma het chana jong na u keng te han na hin to na ga gali ti ti ko hongum le ilau ta so e han ila do ta so analyze it a strategic planning bol ho pi pyo thu se na ngai le chun kuki le naga na ki do hi kuki ten azo he ti so mi dam thi wang ba hina kangpo pia highway hal khani to phau to more hu u keng te ha na pan in la do le sumhu manipur dia sumhu ki pan hi more hi pi pen cho tu chana hi na karwal le business any kind of business ti jeng tin aban in chak ka se be nom khan sui piam te le film ve hon an he du ya Helen of Troy na Troy ki ti movie a hun galte chu Troy khopia chu ipiti hulu no ham sakol lim hara ki sawa na akili soloi ko sakol lim hara ki sawa sakol sunga chu gal kap
descriptive
them
na
izan ham khat umuwa na hello ha gal kap
mm
them izan ham khat umuwa he chu sakol lim to nga te gift to nga pui
Trojan horse ki ti cho mon chi chu
ha chu
Trojan
Trojan horse na achu that Trojan horse ku
mm
ale khate sun trophy da na kilawa hichi fort na kulpi sunga chu apui lu no va le zan ka hi am ho sunga pa na hu po no va boina hu suwa troi chu ki chai so na hi chi chu
That's exactly Michael Lam the thang peace tal MLA ho popular government chi chi Trojan horse chi.
ah
That
ai
is
chu
why I'm very careful but Lam kai MLA hi wa amon het na gil chomane wal SAP ta tau. We are not criticizing them but we as a public voice as a private citizen we are apprehensive na ye chu Thilkhat wang chu inam sung wai gial to dim chu kukin pi chu some will say it doesn't represent us or whatever but khusung ki wai pu no da na pa na root na genesis ang ki si mi ya chu zo mi ki ti nang mar ki ti nang khu chena in pi a ki pap chu kukin pi dilia ki khom chu mi pi de ki ti the will of the people alol we the people ati chu hi che again za chi phat phat wang chu amma ho thu da chu let the people rise up they don't want to rise up let it be left to them ke yang tu ni mi pi yo se ki ko ba hey phaya cheng ta de la I have no problem but the thing is mi pi ki ti jung mol thei lo chu a thi na ding chu mi za khat la chu som chen ki thi pon de ti mai da som ko na ki he de chu so I am nobody I stand with the people and then people's will but people's will subsume bola lo le ngol bol jung ho wang ja king of ba ja people have seen through here I mean like people have seen through enough. Kaya wang so ta ka pao yung ka pao lo ta ju. Ye ju two thu hi bangai se le isu pyo ne ngai could be we are human beings na mon min ngai lu na ichi ne yo se den mon I lo len like no me cho but the truth is not popular nor even liked. It has to be the truth. Chichu society wa wa than chaka iki go. I'll give you one instance. Iboy lai to wa chu minister ho he ki resign le ti ho la think tank group khatin he chin movement we ki thu pi hen tia chu idea jo share cho. We don't have the thing veto power to kind of force them to step down. But hung chi chi a le Twitter group ma yong insu akin aize le hung ki khen ngam yeng cho hung ki na gam yeng cho. Kati dan chana mon. What is the bigger objective? 50 years down the line, kanam I hung to them igial thing you tend to see things in a different light. Ati aju alole tuni kaso pipa tolai pawe na lo helang area commander hin MLA te to hun kani ke chengin, so I should not oppose them ti also igial lai chan wa ju inam ju che jang de lo ju mon. So who can say, oh, he like if I have an alternative motive, that it is a problem.
Inzo anan say pen chu ke azo aken ka say nom pen chu le na Trojan horse ka ti chu to na ina say Michael le adu MLA ho koi koi hon ti chu hi chu hinan na ken Trojan horse to tu chu ka te ka chu piam te le more ko ko ma Ehsan te ko khat amin na kwa tha
Mm.
kwa thai tu chana hi pan mun ane na lai wen adu da se wen ei mi te khonung le ei le ki sei them te hi wen na hi Trojan horse to bangam so aja akwa tha lo hi le hulang sai thi Ehsan free na lấy sự chung hi polio free hay tai covid free hay tai thì tụi bạn he qua thao lâu hi lệ à biết bên này cái trái bùi lại ta này cái trái hi lệ Trojan horse tụi bạn lâu điên tu hin Trojan horse tụi bạn tan na thì chỉ hồi tiền à bạn tu chung làm cái tiêu ai lâu vale mi pi tiêu panlah dan ho hi cái hin gel gel là tua friends gama third state kitite in King Louis 16 ana protest na ama absolute power ana protest laiba min thang ta kana nom cho tennis court ot kiti khana na her khadi ba na
Kaza sim
assembly
khache.
dinga che wale ana kilun sa lo ja hi tennis court khana che bai cha su ot allow cho hi chi su piam te le never to separate and to reassemble until the constitution of the kingdom shall be established na ichi ke kan neu lai lekha kan na bai hat tho hi ja na bai ha system ka che ja cho tu chanai ta kan ka bai ha hin class is that ham class 9 ham 10 7 8 9 a class wang chu ke ta pon a thu hin nal ka sa jen kamel chi denin na tennis court ot never class 10 hin te never to separate and to
French Revolution the
reassemble
class like lo so na.
never to
Class
separate and never to separate and to reassemble until the constitution of the kingdom shall be established. Ti to bang hanin ay mitian zong never to participate or support the formation of government until the demand is not granted. Ti ham hanin kiche pelang chichu tooth and nail letter and spirit in kizuile. Stand azone se bang hi stand khat solid stand khat ki nei thele hi phama ma ding na koi ma ingon na bang hi pon.
He can hello two question it lo picho mon. It is not even a demand. It is about survival necessity. So I think the Ladakis are much smarter than us. No, Ladaki on Ladakh statehood is not a demand. It is a necessity at you. Eho achu necessity yung lo picho. It's a survival cho. May lo ke sanin jong. Adi e ki kan tao te chom khat be ati gei wa hu convincible the ngai cho. I'm not saying ki convince for the sake of convincing. Ai cha may lo la ayong may lo no tu zo lo mi me cho. Ko mi ho in infal lak pa yare ti wa. Korongan ba ke sanin jong. Ku ki ho yo se ka kina ati le wa ma hu tu zo lo mi me cho. Eu achu tu zo na hi na chi pijia me tiale. There is a moral compass through our religion. Mele ho ku chapang korongam ba no control jo lo di tama tami jo, and they're all indoctrinated with that virus. Na
Adie.
mon tibu ke sei jo ahinga athihela hong kile do ho chun hichi chu lesson chu ahai lo jo emily oyo bon ja thihel ke ni jo la ahi ale ke hin so na di win chom khat hi na kacheng hom to pu win ai piong le achoma administration chu igipu uta ja to yung separate administration hi chu mon amail ho do ya administration ei bol kom ni sa yo kangpu pia pa na cycle le kangpu pi district se administration through dca ki bol lamka yong chuma koi khom thelo mi him me chu tui like sodium le I khat hui ki hal khom thelo ta ba situation ho hi e ho in amail ho I mu da ji lo amail ho si ho e mu da ji lo pi chu there were some parties or players who made this relationship go sour na ti a chu e ho ide lo ji lo hilowa a situation as yum meta chu yum ji wa chu we have to know where we stand na ati a chu ise se na le chun e ho chu atam lo mi pi hi 100% ki de May 12 masanga chu separate administration ding nagel kham de state di mana dang tam tai se chu jalen gam yong se chu but koi ma chan phaya pa na ki chaw do a ki hending ichen khom pi ho de kina ading de yong lo mi pate bo chu ai the ale ni se christmas le ti bo chu ku ki zo ho hen ai the ale kut ki mang mang yang le ti mi be gal jong I de lo pi chu mi to kina ading de lo pi chu only when you're forced to fight back we fight back ale hichi case a chu nam lam ka there is no question of taking a stand allow ta chu mon ipi na len do wa stand allow wa ama ho di ta chu kimalok vai chu di ta chu iho ichen yo se ga ma hi mi pi hung khoma hichi hi akive in e tha zo e su se zo wa yo na justice yong imu ta powin a government le ho e bulu tawin mi pi hin ipi ibol diu tam dile eventually it is iki khen we ngai tai di chu hung la di chu awa emile ho chun May 12 ni a chana ki ho wa hichi hi Manipur state capital a hung zam do nge ni wa hichi hi ibp khelwa ibol diu he atiwa abol wa le chun mosi ta ba chu e lam kai ta chu e lam kai wa na khat tui chu ipel gal kai ta chu ipe bol na ham kati kile ki taw de ti ham mon iti ta ba mosi ho chu bible a minum lo di chu kile ki taw de ti ham kile ne te lo pi chu when the sea is parted you already cross a standpoint last out ta chu ebele hoin mi pi nyo last out ta chu ale ami pi ale mosi chu ke chom anum tri wo ke chom ka Egypt ka phang eti go ram mon that is the question they should answer na point 3 resolution to let them explain it sounds like that lampi ke hong chu ei chom che kha na le khat ga palgal kai jab in Egypt lang chi itinam ga veja mi Egypt to ka ki khentai ten ki da ala ta cha chu hichi a chu na lengpa in mi pia minister elo le lengpa in nada la thedi nada la thelo diu gadong kit wi kiti di om we have already left now
Adie.
no we like mosi ucho let them know their position atila waltun I don't know people would rise up
Chi chu hin tua nan sei le lam kai te na sei dan chu ke khopuma kana umin ZUF ki phu lai ta jong manipura kana posting lai ta hin ZUF te hi tua e kangpu pi area hi kangwi area hi in bui to lai in hol jingo hin na tua hi amo dan in ka gelin ipiziam te le amo hi IM te policy le adu da thil tam ta de le uzia hi IM apa na hong jam do wa khopum velia satudai huwa hi ZUF an phu do cho zen chui ka mele kam son lam kaina alei chi te ni hung mun tam ta ki kap to jing chu ke yum lai jong na khat lang thi ale hita hung mum wa chom khat zo wa zen chui le kam son hung ki tu lo zia hitwa kam son hi zam do a hung zam na te ga bel ki cho ayam te hita
Hmm.
so kam son party hi ahin dal hau nsn im ga join ki no wa win alo sa ane to banga ko nsn te aga join wa to ai emi te bui to line hol hol hina hi chi to bang din muna i din thi mo ham na lam kai teu aje chu ki gom thei te lo ding ka hi ta ve sa nei pe ta ve na du da in te to ai government in form thei ki du vai le chu boy ding hin na hin la mi pin na se bangin mi pi te jong a chinga thiam tamin an chu bible chang kan sim to banga hi na
Hmm.
suang tum jong eu ding ti to bang khan hi hungum ding igin chanumin abanin tua emi te hina i hi naw khat ti ding ham tua hi youtube kan bola ki patna tu la hin hi ta mi to mi chom chom to dok so kan bol le pung ka khat le ke ti to bang hong hin hi cho pana imi pi te o ka study dan sui pham te le movie pung ka khat le ke to bang ho video youtube video minit kha jong sim nai lo wa comment pai pai ti hovel hona he chu to bang ho ko hiu ham ti chu thil khani pa na hi le a chai ki nga zo lo alai la khu amun thun ma sanga chu ki boi pai pai te kana ding in story to bang khat chom cha hin selen mun khana hin wi thiam na wi cha dog so khana umen apu paum na anoi ama anung la pa na hung diu wi cha chu
Hmm.
stage sa ga che diu hay chu stage sa chu performance bol diu ale khat pa chun 3 dio na chatu ram lingam to banga nang first na hi thelowa na mak na su khang thelowa le midanga chu su ne men ti to bang khat tactics to banga khu tua wi cha ki dep na khu khat pa hin aloi pa adang khat pa khu athet mana hi awi chu ahung lai ta hi stage lang awi in stage lang hin zuna hi alam pika chu sagu khada na pele awi chu sagul nga jam to jam do a competition a chu zaw the te lo ti to bang khana hi chi to bang din mon hi chi to bang lam ka hi nei kha vai le boy de hi ti hi ke apana concluding remark to bang tin ale ulen na ki holim anomin la phat jong hong son thim tan nang apanin mi pi te na vail ha nom na vail han thu ti ding ham concluding words in seo
Mon lamka yung modem dem ding chuai di pu na hin a issue base ai ki dem khat direct ai ki point to ngai na
mm
ni khat doctor say len chu say chu pidu mi da poi ti chu ki dem ai poi na ti chu that is not the way to go forward e ho chu mi le cholo ne gu wi lai ne gu am yong ke lo emile ho le sum ni gu ngen ane gu ale so the amount hela ya ne gum so to lam ka yong basis ni lo dem loading but when the point is wrong lam ka yo una di poi na see my point is a, a meeting a ju nang la ke lo pi cho but as a stakeholder cái nó tu ni phai cái chi thế ta lo pi cho nào nó chi thế ta lo pi cho na
mm
thì chu sodom le go mara ta ma jo wa dinga lot jinu ta mai tam cho kile he
mm
go you'll turn into a pillar of salt
mm
aja lamka
age
ayong het him mitin lamka yung mi pi het him ai wan ne het him diu pa ju pyam tile resolution illa omen mi pi de tichu resolution kila hi yung le even the constitution preamble is based on that one principle we the people
mm
all the power flows from we the people hiche gen za ta hong chiu lawang chun e ho yung min sagu ase ta chu min ibui di ve na the
mm
people will rise up and who will clap toy
mm
khalwe le lamka ho hin they think you know mi tham khadin alai lunga center tiute ho hin e ho he ko sawa I lo le state governments e ho do da na I mean but I think you have to understand the world's polity right now
mm
e
age
khat agam sunga India government hi e ho pumpi hi e mu daw yong hello e ngai lu yong hello right now lesi chung ki pe da na hi aching be set yong boy angol be set yong boy eba e ho hi ingol lo li hin do lo de ngol chi bi ka ti na mi dia le nge chula me lo te chen khom kit diu ho to te ti nge ya nge chu ngai kina lo diu da nge ya nge chu but ka sei pa chu a cha le si ala ke hen khom ngai poi ka ti pa chu when you are at the verge of extinction or somebody can cause you harm chu chom kha chi ke hen phat ngai chu so popular government chu it's like a Trojan horse na. So I think we should be careful. Lamkai hile. They would know. So let us keep our faith. More them dijugati na pon. But let us point out the issue where things can go wrong. Point three, I feel can go wrong. Chipaji say we na tale. I mean, keep up in mon. Keep doing what you're doing. I mean, like. Kyo X space ka ball pa sa pa ki ball le a pa lang say in. Ai ti yong hin sa paw ki tho ki le ai dem yong ta ma ta min ai ju an ki hello because e ho i bu yu ta zo mo I le ka sim english a ki sim I dream yong english a ki dream na ai le ai paw hi man lo de in mi to ki khanin so I'm ka ki pa en na mo na yi chu I think we cover a lot of things but kasin to people ju bring back the spirit of May 3 to September, November, December of 2023. Hicha chu ipinati ham. Lese chung hi ahat pa in. Lese chung hi asay di dinga mecho. That is the war as it is now. And my respect to na nam sipai volunteer ho. Tale anning ka amma ding gel talo ay khato. See, most of us like a professional career idei banga succeed lo my things but those are God's plan it's ho chu khatna khat social CSO za lam kai ong pang ki nei chu ta chu mi pathin uh, aning like if they say that to so we should respect one another. I mean, the problem so let us support the leaders, but then if the issue is something which is wrong, say it is wrong. Don't try
If
to,
it is black, then black. If it is white,
black
then
is
white.
black. Yeah, call a spade, na. Ken
I
Manipur integrity nan science adi poi kati so mean tham khat jela amasang wa se amasang ka say wa anu ka say asaira ka say that is not important. But ama hoyong jun they have some negotiating table as upay nei lo assigned to ya adi lo yeng jula to resolution number 3 pa yong chu kot ki hongai chu siar ong lu min kot ki hongai chu so I feel it's a dangerous clause but I hope wisdom will God will guide us na. Thank you so much Mon.
Ki pau meh tua nan say hi mi sa te na mi pi ten jong chi na le het them na le mabana panlah na dinga ki bul phuna hin ne vintin a chai ni dinga ka se nom chui le enjon nan se ta ma bangin democracy om hi win constitution prembala ki jito bang we the people kiti power comes from we the people na in China communist te to banga Mao Zedong banga hi power flows from the barrel of the gun ti hilowin mi piten le lap kai ten he dingin power should come from we the people tin mabana nampi movement si piute ti hi concluding war kan se ki pau melen dang to tunya ki othi ding im zin mabana jong phat ong lem changom le ten ki ho ji jiu tin na